This episode of Kitchen Dads, we're doing herbed tomatoes, potatoes. Great summer salad. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. So I get a lot of requests for summer salads. People who grill some meat or fish, and they want something to go with it. Nice thing about summer is you can put some few ingredients together, some fresh herbs, some oils, and you've got a great salad. This one is super simple. Now we've taken about a pound and a half of small potatoes. I like the multicolor ones if you can get them. Put them in some boiling water, salted boiling water for about 15 minutes till fork tender, and then drain them. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take those and we're gonna put them in a big bowl with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of melted butter. Now we're gonna take 1 big heirloom tomato, or just a regular tomato if you want. If you like more tomatoes, put more tomatoes in. We're gonna core it. Just stick a knife in and take out the core. And then we're gonna just chop this up. If it's really big, cut it a couple times. We want some reasonably sized chunks to go with the potatoes. We're going to just use one. We're going to put that in there. And then we have about 2 tablespoons each, basil, parsley, and chives. And we can just bring them all together because they're all going in. We're just going to do kind of a rough chop. Maybe 1 through on this side. Then we're going to salt it with some fresh ground pepper and some sea salt, both to taste. We're going to mix it up. If you want to spend a little more time, you can cut some of the potatoes in half for a little nicer presentation. Again, make this salad your own. If you like more tomatoes, by all means, you put more tomatoes in. And then we're going to plate it. Can't get much easier. Potatoes and tomatoes, summer salad. Give it a shot. I think you'll like it.